Presented by Wyatt, Wheeler, Hellerman, Tetlow, and Brown, and more specifically, Andrew Beckett.
Yes! Bravo!
I sincerely appreciate your faith in my abilities.
You spook easily, Starling?
Not yet, sir.
He's past the others. The last cell. I'll be watching. You'll do fine.
A killer is on the loose.
Il y a une règle tacite au cinéma. Ne jamais regarder la caméra. C'est le 4e mur, la frontière entre le rêve et la réalité. Mais Jonathan Demme, lui, adorait franchir cette frontière. Pourquoi ? Parce qu'il ne voulait pas que vous regardiez ces personnages. Il voulait que vous deveniez ces personnages. Bienvenue dans l'empreinte.
Change personality.
These are not supposed to exist.
Raymond Prentice Shaw. Listen.
Demme, c'est le réalisateur qui aimait tout le monde. Des rockstars aux marginaux, des flics aux malades rejetés par la société. Son style n'est pas froid ou clinique. Il est vibrant, habité par la musique et une curiosité sans fin pour le visage humain. Son obsession ? L'empathie. Comment nous faire ressentir la peur, la honte ou la joie d'un inconnu en une fraction de seconde ?
Hi. Got a tape I want to play.
Regardez bien cette scène du silence des agneaux. Remarquez comment Anthony Hopkins fixe l'objectif. Ce n'est pas un hasard. Demme utilise ce qu'on appelle le subjective close-up. En plaçant ses acteurs face caméra, il nous place, nous spectateurs, dans les bottes de l'interlocuteur. Quand Hannibal parle, il vous parle à vous. Vous ressentez son souffle, son mépris, sa manipulation. Et quand il filme Clarisse, il utilise une lumière douce pour souligner sa vulnérabilité au milieu de ce monde d'hommes. Demme ne filme pas une enquête, il filme une connexion psychologique.
We're interviewing all the serial killers now in custody for a psychobehavioral profile. Could be a real help in unsolved cases. You spook easily, Starling?
Not yet, sir.
I want you to go after him again today in the asylum.
Who's the subject?
The psychiatrist Hannibal Lecter.
Hannibal the Cannibal.
Busy hunting that new one, Buffalo Bill. What a naughty boy he is. Do you know why he's called Buffalo Bill?
This one likes to skin his humps. Most serial killers keep some sort of trophies from their victims.
I didn't.
No. No, you ate yours.
Aujourd'hui, cette technique du regard caméra empathique se retrouve chez plusieurs réalisateurs. De Barry Jenkins dans Moonlight à Paul Thomas Anderson. Jonathan Demme a prouvé que la caméra n'est pas un témoin invisible, mais un lien émotionnel. Il a transformé le thriller et le drame en expériences intimes, presque invasives.
Mr. Beckett! How are you? What happened to your face?
I have AIDS.
Oh.
I'm seeking representation.
You want to sue Wyatt, Wheeler, Hellerman, Tetlow, and Brown?
I was diagnosed with AIDS 8 months ago during a bout with pneumonia.
What's that in your forehead, pal?
Andy, everyone in this room is your friend.
I misplaced an important complaint. That's their story.
We've been talking it over, your future, that is, and we feel that because we respect you so much, we must be honest with you.
Excuse me. Am I being fired?
Would you accept a client if you were constantly thinking, I don't want this person to touch me?
I have a case.
I don't want them to even breathe on me.
You don't want it for personal reasons.
Thank you, that's correct, I don't.
That's very disappointing.
Sir, wouldn't you be more comfortable in a research room?
No. Would it make you more comfortable?
Beckett, how you doing?
Counselor.
Did you find a lawyer?
There's going to be things said at the trial that are going to be hard for you to hear.
I want to know everything about his personal life. What? deviant groups that he secretly belonged to?
I didn't raise my kids to sit in the back of the bus.
Is Andrew Beckett the kind of lawyer who misplaces crucial documents?
An excellent lawyer.
Andrew Beckett is dying.
You were impressed with Andrew Beckett's work.
Andrew Beckett is angry.
What powerful force has caused him to change his mind?
And he wants someone to pay.
Si vous voulez voir Demi au sommet de sa liberté, regardez Stop Making Sense. C'est le plus beau film de concert jamais filmé. Et pour sa tendresse humaine, plongez dans Rachel se marie. Jonathan Demme nous a quittés en 2017, mais il nous a laissé ses yeux. Et à travers eux, le monde est un peu plus humain. À la prochaine pour une nouvelle empreinte.